guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for another video for this month of June. My first impressions and review on the YouTube creators that has collaboration with a makeup brand. So in today's video from Nicole Guerriero, which is a collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Guys, I've actually used this already, and this is actually my most loved high-end highlighter palette. So if you guys wanted to find out why I love about this palette, please keep on watching. They brought this back again as a limited edition from Sephora, and this is actually my most loved highlighter palette on my high-end collections. Information through the Sephora website. A cult favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit that features 6 stunning metallic highlight shades for intense luminosity and a lightweight refined formula that delivers buildable coverage with a smooth metallic luster finish. This glow kit, handpicked by Nicole herself, contains 6 glow boosting shades that look amazing on any skin tone and can be applied anywhere on the face, eyes, lips, and body. It features a lightweight, refined formula with buildable coverage and seamless blendability. Each shade is wearable and flatters any skin tone from fair to deep. I purchased this through Sephora in Australia and US, and it's retail for $74 Australian dollars and $40 US dollars. So this is the kitty cat. Only a tiny bit of powdery. For me, they're actually okay. See, it's already giving you that glow straight away, guys. And this highlighter actually lasts day and night. So as you can see, guys, so it's already giving me that instant glow. And gonna go and try this second shade. Is called Forever Young, and I'm going to apply this on the, I'm just gonna go and apply this. See, you guys can see it straight away. I know this is actually quite expensive highlighter palette, but you're actually getting what you paid for. I'll put this on my bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow. Forever lit. So I'm just gonna be applying this here. As you can see, it's already giving me that glow. So really nice glow, guys. So I'm just using this on my inner corner too. Forever Young. And also whatever's left over, I went and applied it on my brow bone. I actually love highlighters, guys, so this is actually one of the things that I must have on my makeup kit, is to have a highlighter. My skin a healthy glow, and it's also makes me look younger too. I love this palette, guys, because it's easy to apply. It's very smooth and very creamy, and it actually lasts whole day, pretty much day and night wear. You get 6 different shades. So there you have it, guys. I hope you have actually enjoyed today's video, and I hope I've actually did help you out today. Please comment down below if you've used this palette before. I would love to hear from you guys, and please let me know what video you want to watch next. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys very soon for another video for this month of June. Love you guys.